Hello guys, welcome to another very short tutorial on HTML. In this video, I am going to show you how you can apply rounded borders like this to any paragraph in HTML. I have a blank HTML page here now. So let me have a basic structure of HTML. Within this one, we need a paragraph or content to which we can add round border. For that one, let me copy paste one paragraph here and we have another header here. To this paragraph, I want to apply a round border. For that, first let me add a class here so that using this class I can add round border property to this paragraph. I will define as rounded border class for this one. Let me copy this class. To apply style to this, we need to have a style open and close tag. Within this one, let me have this class. To this one, we need to have a border, that is round border. For that one, first we need to have a border. So let me define a border of 3 pixel solid red. Till now we have not added a rounded border property here. This is a simple or default border which will be applied by a CSS. If I go to my browser, you can observe there is a border applied, but it's a default border with no curves or rounds here. To define that one, there is a CSS property called border radius. You need to define the radius based on the curvature you want. In this example, I will add a 7 pixel. When I save this one and refresh the page, you can observe curved or rounded border is applied to our paragraph. Another flexibility what you get in CSS rounded border is you can apply this rounded border to any particular corner or multiple corners as well. Usually the order follows like this. The first one will be on the top left corner, then top right corner, then bottom right and bottom left. If I go to our code editor, in this example, what I will do is I will add 0 pixels for top left corner and 0 pixel for top right corner. For the bottom right corner, I will add 7 pixel and bottom left, I will add 7 pixels. So let's save this one and go back to a browser and refresh. As you can see here, on the top sides, there is no curvature or round. And at the bottom, you can see the curvature here. If you want to increase the border radius, you can add it here, save it and refresh it. You can see there is a nice curved border which is applied to our paragraph. So this is how we can use rounded border in our HTML. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on like button, share it to others and subscribe to my channel.